What's going on, YouTube? It's the Cryptologist coming to you with another video. Today we're going to talk about a platform that I absolutely love. They call it Baked Beans. Okay, we're going to get right into it. Baked Beans is a platform that uses BNB. Okay, you can go on this platform, bakedbeans.io. Okay, on this platform, Baked Beans, you earn up to 8% per day on your money. And you can start with as little as $10 worth of BNB. Now, you're going to have to get your BNB from somewhere, and it has to be Smart Chain BNB. If you don't know what Smart Chain BNB is, I would suggest that you look it up on YouTube. You go to YouTube and find somebody who talks about Smart Chain BNB. And also, you'll have to get the MetaMask app on your desktop, or you can get it on your phone as well. But I like to use it both on my desktop and my phone because this is compatible with both of them. But baked beans is absolutely great. And what I have to say about baked beans, okay, this is the contract. That's how much BNB they have in the contract. So the contract has a lot of BNB. So you have to, BNB right now is worth like $435, I think, per BNB. So they have a lot of money in it. That's how much BNB they have right here. So this is how much I have in my wallet, which is a little less than $27 or something like that. And the beans is that's what baked beans is. They call it beans. Now, don't get me to lying because I don't know what the beans is actually. But what you do is, all right, I have 0.106 BNB in this particular account. So that's a little bit over $47. So I can rebake the beans or I can eat the beans. Now, when you rebake the beans, that means you compound your money back into your your account. So what I suggest you do is compound your money 6 days and eat on the seventh day. That means you'll do a withdrawal. When you eat your beans, you'll do a withdrawal. Now, when you withdraw your money, it goes back into your MetaMask account. So you'll have BNB in your MetaMask account, but I would suggest that you always have some BNB in your account because you do have to pay gas fees for doing that. So, like, I would press rebake if I wanted to rebake these beans right here, and then it will go to my MetaMask account right here, like it is. Okay, it's gonna take a little minute. Wow, it's taking longer than normal, but it will pop up. Okay, and it will show you how much it would cost. So this is my estimated gas fee, which is a few cents. It might be about 20 cents to rebake my beans. Or if I wanted to eat my beans, it'd be 20 cents to eat them, to withdraw. I'm not going to say eat, but to withdraw. So I'm going to reject this because I'm not really ready to eat, rebake or eat my beans right now. I'm going to do it about 9:30 tonight because around 9:30 I'll probably have about $50 or $60 in there that I will compound back into my account. So at 8% per day, you have to think that that's some great numbers because you got to think the bank won't even give you 8% in a year. You lucky to even get 0.2% in a year just having your money in the bank. So I have to make this suggestion. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor, and I'm not giving out financial advice. I'm just letting people on YouTube know how I am cranking out the crypto in this particular platform. So if you like what you hear, go in the description and try it out. Thanks.